Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this super easy maple churro chickpea oven roasted snack recipe. It's going to be so delicious. Grab a strainer and pour out your chickpeas. You're going to need 2 cans worth of chickpeas and go ahead and rinse it down with water and make sure you just kind of use your hands to rub it through. Now dump it onto a paper towel and kind of roll them out. And then what I'm also going to do is get another paper towel and put it on top and roll it back and forth because you're going to want to massage it in a way to dry up those chickpeas the best you can. After your chickpeas are dried, put it into a big large bowl and go ahead and grab another paper towel because like I said, we're going to make it really dry. So just kind of rub it all the way through to make sure there's no water in this bowl because you don't want moisture in the chickpeas. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a sheet tray and put a parchment paper non-stick on top of that and go ahead and dump all your dried out chickpeas that you have wiped down a lot with those paper towels and go ahead and spread it out with your fingers. Now go ahead and place it right into the oven and set a timer for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, go ahead and pull those chickpeas right back out of the oven and dump your chickpeas right back into that big large bowl again. And you're going to need 4 tablespoons of maple syrup and go ahead and just pour that all over those chickpeas because we're going to make this the flavor time. Now go ahead and sprinkle about 4 tablespoons worth of cinnamon powder all over that and go ahead and get a spoon and just mix it together because you want the cinnamon to be evened out all over those maple chickpeas right there. And go ahead and place it back onto your parchment paper where it was before and you're going to spread it out with your spoon and then go ahead and place it right back into the oven for 30 more minutes exactly again. And go ahead and pull it right back out of the oven. Make sure you turn your oven off completely. And go ahead and put it into the oven while your oven is off. And you're just going to keep your oven door open for 40 minutes exactly. Set the timer for 40 minutes. And that will help the air out a little bit more to make them crunchy for you. And there you have it. You just made some maple churro oven roasted chickpea snacks and this is so great. It's so good. It's sweet and tasty and you can have a good time with no refined sugars and you can share it with your friends and they're going to enjoy it very much. If you love maple, then you're definitely going to love these. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook and I'll be happy to answer them back.